All right, folks, if you're slinging sparks and laying down beads, you know a good welding helmet isn't just a luxury, it's your best buddy in the shop, keeping your peepers safe and your vision clear. So today we're diving headfirst into the top 5 welding helmets that really hit the sweet spot. Let's get into it. You can find all the product links to check their price on Amazon in the description and the pinned comment. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with the Lincoln Electric welding helmet. This beast is a real showstopper, giving you a massive viewing area that feels like looking through a panoramic window. The clarity is just out of this world, making those tricky welds a piece of cake. It darkens in a blink, keeping your eyes protected, and honestly, wearing it all day feels surprisingly comfortable, like a custom fit. Basically, the guardian angel your eyes have been dreaming of. Next up, we have the ESAB welding helmet. Now this one screams tough as nails, with a sleek, low-profile design that just looks cool. But it's not all about looks. This bad boy is built like a tank, ready to take a beating. The adjustments are super smooth, so you can dial in your perfect fit without missing a beat, making those long sessions feel a lot less like a chore. Basically, the headgear that works as hard as you do. Moving on to the Klein Tools welding helmet. If you've ever felt like you're welding in a tunnel, this is your ticket out. The panoramic 3-window design is an absolute game changer, giving you a view that's practically unrestricted, and the true color auto darkening filter. Holy cow, it makes everything look so natural. You'll wonder how you ever welded without it. Basically, the widescreen experience for your workspace. Then there's the Andeli welding helmet. This one's got some serious smarts with motion sensor LEDs that light up your work area automatically, which is a total lifesaver in dim spots. The 3-sided auto darkening feature means you're covered from all angles, and the auto adjusting tech just makes life easier, letting you focus on the weld, not fiddling with settings. Basically, the brainy sidekick every welder needs. And to wrap things up, we have the Yes Welder welding helmet. This one truly delivers on true color, making your welds pop with clarity and detail. It reacts faster than a blink of an eye, protecting your vision instantly, and the blue light blocking is a huge plus, reducing eye strain and keeping you comfortable, even when the sparks are really flying. Basically, the clear choice for crystal clear vision. So there you have it, our rundown of some seriously awesome welding helmets. Hope this helps you gear up for your next big project.